Now let us see measurement of weight. So when we are measuring the weight of some object, we are doing two things. Maybe sometimes we are comparing, or sometimes we want to know the exact measure of that weight. So now let us take the example of these two books. Here you can see I am having this big book in my hand, and this book is a little smaller than this book. So if I think of comparing the weight of these two books, I can easily tell that this book is heavier and this book is lighter. Since this book is smaller in size, it will be lighter, and since this book is bigger in size, it will be heavier. So just like the comparing of length, comparing of weight also can be done very easily. But students, when we are doing the measurement of weight, or if we want to know the exact weight of some object, then we have to see how much it is equal to. So students, you might have gone to the market to buy vegetables with your mother. So when you go to the vegetable seller, you tell them to give 1 kg of potato. Then what does the woman or the man do? They take a 1 kg weight in one side of their beam balance, and they start putting the potatoes on the other side of the beam balance, and up to the level both the balances come to a equal level, they keep on putting potatoes into it. So when both the levels become equal, it means that the potatoes now are weighing 1 kg. So similarly, if you want to measure the weight of some other objects in, not in weights, in 1 kg weight or half kg weight, you want to measure, maybe we want to measure the weight of this book, we put it on one side of the balance, and if we want to see how much is the weight of this book in comparison to this books, so I have to put this book on one side of the balance, and then I will put this book on the other side of the balance. But since this book is lighter, the side which is having this book will go downwards or upwards? Yes, it will go upwards, because this book is heavier, so it will move downwards, and the book which is lighter will go upwards. So if I put one more book of this pattern into it, maybe both the books come to a level, or the beam balance comes to a level. It means that the weight of this book is equal to the weight of like these books, but these books should be 2 in number. So weight of one book of this pattern is equal to the weight of like these 2 books, right? So this is the way how we do measurement of weight. Sometimes objects, different objects are put on both the sides. Sometimes weight is put. The weighing machine, as I told you, when we go to the vegetable sellers, they have weights with them: 1 kg weight, half kg, 200 gram, 50 gram, and so with the help of those weights they can easily weigh the vegetables, and they sell the vegetables according to the weights. So this was about measurement of length and measurement of weight. Students, here you can see how the comparison of weights is done. On one side we have a giraffe, on the other side we have a dog. The giraffe is a huge animal, so the giraffe is heavier, it moves downwards, and the dog is lighter, so it moves upwards. Similarly, here you can see on both the sides we have monkeys, and both these monkeys are equal in weight, so the beam balance is at a equal level, right students? Now let us see measuring weights. So we can use different objects as a unit to measure the weight of an item. So here you can see a box is kept on one side of the beam balance, and other side balls are kept. So the weight of this box is equal to these balls. But how many balls are these? These are 6 balls. So the weight of one box is equal to the weight of 6 balls. Similarly, we can put here the various weights, that is 1 kg weight, half kg weight, and other weights also. Now let us see exercise number 2 on page number 114 of your maths book. The first one is done for you. On the one side of the beam balance is a watermelon, and on the other sides we have On the other side we have apples. So we can see here the watermelon is 1 in number and the apples, they are more in number. But even then the watermelon is heavier than the apple. So we write it, the watermelon is heavier than the apples and the apples are lighter than the watermelon. See the second example. On one side of the beam balance is an elephant and the other side is a rat. So the mouse is dash than the elephant. So how is the mouse? The mouse is heavier or lighter? The mouse is lighter. The mouse is lighter than the elephant and the elephant is heavier than the mouse. So similarly in this manner you have to check who is lighter and who is heavier and you have to fill the blanks. Example 3rd and 4th you have to do it on your own.